Hey everyone, in this video, I'll walk you through adding chapters to your YouTube videos. You know those handy sections you see in the progress bar? The ones that let viewers skip right to the bit they actually want to see? Yeah, those chapters. I'm going to show you exactly how to set those up. First off, it helps to jot down your chapter points beforehand. Then, head over to the video you want to edit in your YouTube studio. Find it in your list and click on the Details button. Now you've got a couple of ways to add chapters. The quick and easy method is to scroll down and keep scrolling until you spot the automatic chapters option. Flip that on, and YouTube will take a stab at figuring out the chapters for you. But honestly, if you're anything like me and you want things done just right, doing it manually gives you way more control. To do it yourself, look for the video description box. Type chapters or timestamps, whatever you prefer. Start by typing the timestamp for your first chapter. So, for the very beginning, you'd type 0. That 0 is for minutes, then the colon, then the 00 for seconds. After that, hit the space bar, type a dash, another space, and then write your chapter title. For example, I'll type Introduction. Press Enter to go to the next line. For your next chapter, say at the 21-second mark, you'd type 0, 2, 1.2. Again, space, dash, space, then your title. Make it whatever fits that part of your video. In my case, the first way. Hit Enter again when you're done. Just keep repeating those steps for each chapter you need. It's a good idea to name your very last chapter something obvious like ending or conclusion. Two important things to remember. YouTube needs at least 3 chapters to actually turn them into those official, clickable sections. You can definitely add more, but less than 3 just won't work. Secondly, each has to be at least 10 seconds long. Once all your chapters are typed out in the description like that, click that Save button up in the top right corner. To see if it worked, open the video itself in a new tab. YouTube will automatically spot those timestamps you typed in the description, convert them into clickable links, and boom, your video now has those neat built-in chapters showing up right below the player. I really hope this guide helps you get your chapters sorted. If it did, I'd truly appreciate a thumbs up on the video and maybe consider subscribing to the channel. Drop a comment saying like too, so I know it helped and can say thanks properly. Take care, everyone.